The OnePlus Open Review. Design and display. The OnePlus Open features a sleek design with a 7.82-inch OLED inner display and a 6.31-inch AMOLED outer display. The inner display boasts a 2800 nits peak brightness, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. The minimal crease and anti-reflective layer enhance the viewing experience. Performance. Equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the OnePlus Open delivers exceptional performance, handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Camera. The smartphone is equipped with a versatile camera system, including a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP telephoto lens. This setup allows for high-quality photos and videos across various scenarios. The camera system has been praised for its performance, with some reviewers noting it as one of the best among foldable devices. Battery life. The OnePlus Open houses a 4800 mAh battery, providing ample power for a full day of intensive use. With 100 watts wired charging, it can charge to 50% in less than 15 minutes and reach 100% in approximately 33 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. Overall, the OnePlus Open stands out as a flagship foldable device, offering top-tier specifications at a competitive price. Its powerful performance, impressive display, and fast charging capabilities make it a compelling choice for users seeking value without compromising on quality. Thank you so much.